Introducing the Garmeinea Cake Carrier Cupcake Containers with Lid and Handle Portable Storage and Transport Container Holder. This amazing product is perfect for all your baking needs. Let's take a closer look at its features and specifications. First and foremost, the Garmeinea Cake Carrier is made from eco-friendly food-grade PP material, ensuring the health and safety of your family and friends. You can rest assured that it is safe to touch food and comes with the highest quality standards. With its large capacity, this cake carrier can hold a 10-inch large cake or a smaller size cake, as well as 11 cupcakes. The transparent lid stands 6 inches high, allowing you to display your beautiful creations. The cake turntable also doubles as a tool for making and decorating cakes. The clever design of this product includes a built-in handle on the top which makes it convenient for transportation. You can carry the cake box easily and securely. Additionally, the non-slip base and 2 secure locking clips ensure airtight storage, keeping your cake fresh and secure. But this cake carrier isn't just for cakes. It can also be used to store cupcakes, desserts, pizzas, and various other treats. The compartment trays are perfect for holding fruits, nuts, cookies, and muffins. It truly is a versatile storage solution for all your baking needs. Not only does this cake carrier preserve your cakes, but it also allows for freezer storage. You can preserve ice cream cakes, cheesecakes, cupcakes, and more. Cleaning is a breeze, as it is dishwasher safe for your convenience. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, so it may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. In terms of specifications, the Garmeinea Cake Carrier has package dimensions of 12.24 by 12.24 by 6.06 inches. It weighs 1.72 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to carry. The ASIN is B0C14GJVQY, and it has received customer reviews with an average rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. It is ranked 60,748 in the kitchen and dining category, specifically as the 40th best-selling cake carrier. In the larger kitchen utensils and gadgets category, it ranks 24,581. So there you have it. The Garmeinea Cake Carrier Cupcake Containers with Lid and Handle Portable Storage and Transport Container Holder. With its food-grade material, large capacity, clever design, and multiple uses, it is a must-have for all baking enthusiasts. Don't forget to check the link below for more information and to make your purchase. Happy baking! Short link: https://amzn.to/47awa